How do you know if you're picking the right contractor for your home renovation project? Well, in this video, I'm going to answer that question by telling you the 6 things you want to consider when choosing a contractor. Hi, I'm Steve McNary, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. There is no shortage of contractors out there all vying for your business. But how do you know which one is right for you? Well, there are actually 6 things you want to consider when choosing a contractor. They are longevity, reviews, warranty, products, installers, and of course, cost. Let's look a little deeper and see how these simple questions can make shopping for a contractor that much easier. Longevity. How long has the company been in business? A contractor who has established roots is likely to have more credibility than a contractor that is just starting out. You want to know they have a history that you can trust. Reviews. How are their online reviews? It's important to do your research on any contractor you may potentially choose. Make sure to read client reviews and even look at their social media to see how they interact with their audience. Warranty. What is the warranty offered for the product and service? You need to know what all is included in the warranty, like installation and product, and how long the warranty is. Will they be there to back up their product when you need them? Products. Does the contractor offer the type of product you're wanting? For example, if you know you want wooden replacement windows, you need to choose a contractor who offers that for you and is comfortable handling and installing the product properly. Installers. Does the contractor have their own installers? Installers who have worked with the same contractor for many years are likely to be more reliable than an installer who just started with a contractor. And finally, cost. How much are you looking to invest for your project? If you are wanting the least expensive option, then you can rule out the contractors who are out of your price range. With cost, make sure you always consider the cost of the product or service, the cost of the installation, and the warranty when you're deciding what the budget is for your project. And that's it. Those were the 6 things you need to consider when choosing a contractor. If you missed one or want to learn more, make sure to download our PDF using the link in the description. Thank you for dropping by the Home Solutions channel. And remember, it's your home and your renovation project. We just want you to have the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.